President Draupadi Murmu has rejected the mercy plea of Ravi Ashok Ghumare, who was convicted for the kidnapping, rape and murder of a 2-year-old girl in Maharashtra in 2012, officials said on Sunday. This is the third mercy plea rejection by President Murmu since she assumed office on July 25, 2022. The Supreme Court had upheld Ghumare's death sentence on October 3, 2019, observing that the convict had no control over his carnal desires and had crossed all natural, social, and legal limits to satisfy his sexual hunger. In its majority judgment, a 3-judge bench, which included Justice Suryakant, now the Chief Justice of India, said Ghumare had ruthlessly finished a life that was yet to bloom. Justice Kant noted that instead of showing fatherly affection and protection, the convict made the child a victim of lust, calling it a grave betrayal of trust and a blow to social values. The horrific crime took place on March 6, 2012 in Indiranagar area of Jalna district, where Ghumare lured the child with chocolates before committing the crime. A trial court sentenced Ghumare to death on September 16, 2015, a verdict that was later upheld by the Bombay High Court in January 2016. With the rejection of the mercy plea, the legal process in the case has reached its final stage.